Wait. Just making sure there's no papers of my address on it. I like living. We got a latex bodysuit. Yay! Got it from, oop. The door has to be closed. Close the door. Shit. We got it from Bright and Shiny. Yeah. Thank you, Bright and Shiny. Very, very happy about this. I am not sponsored. I bought this motherfucker. But we are going to crack this bad boy open. Why don't we? Okay, I need something to open this with. This is something. We're gonna figure it out. Okay. Oh. For the love of Jehovah, who's texting me? Brother. My brother in Christ. Okay. We've obtained scissors. It's scissor time. BS! Wow, this is very well packaged. Very professional, very awesome. Very awesome and professional. Yeah! Oh, they gave me patches to like repair. That's so tough. And it has zip border, so I can take this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot I didn't get just neck entry. I'm so glad. I was kind of scared. Yeah. Sorry about that. Guys, so YouTube, I'm gonna make a part of me getting into this, and that's gonna be going somewhere else. I think we know where it's going. I'll see you guys in a second when I'm in the suit, but yeah, the other part, yeah, it'll be somewhere else. Untangled. Bro, stop. Okay. Yeah, BRB. Hello, YouTube. We can't get into it yet. We're gonna have to wash this shit with some lukewarm water. So let's clean out our sink a little bit. It's a little bit of I should totally do this in my other sink. Okay. Oh, so look at my room. Isn't it so cute? My child is right there. Okay. We are so in here. We are literally so in here. We are so in here. Okay. Let's fill this up. Some warm water. Excusez-moi. It looks so Halloween in here. Ow, my titty. Oh, I'm over. Wait. Oh, that's really too hot. You're gonna test the water. Washing this bad boy at the top. Washing this bad boy out. I've read a bunch of things about how to care for this, like the aftercare mainly, but I was a little confused on how to like first wash and get into this. I thought I could just immediately like hop into it and put the shine on it, but that is bad practice. Do not do that because apparently it makes like a sludge mixed with the talc, like the shine of the talc. This is kind of satisfying, yo. Hold up, man. so satisfying with everything. Okay, now scoop it up, leave up, squash it, get all the innards, put them in the show. And then I'll do it. This is so fun. That's too hot. Relax. Fucking relax. Oh god, I'm measured. Let's go. Anyways. Okay, get some more water in this. Okay, I think all parts are wet. I think the fields are just Is my camera dying? There's no actual way that my camera's dying, dude. My camera's dying! I charged it! Oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this soak for just a little bit, and then we're gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna read a little bit more about how to care for this. And I'll see you guys in a second. But wait, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. You guys will see me in a second, so. And we're back. Okay, now we are preparing the shake. Preparing the shake. Okay, let's swirl this around for a little bit. And yes, I'm doing this in my sink. I will deal with the repercussions of it later. Okay. Let's turn the water on. A little more water. Let's get this on the inside too. I am so fucking excited. I'm so stoked, dude. Okay. I like how we are soaked. LOL. I'm a silly guy. Okay, wait. We're actually gonna put a little bit more. And we're gonna just why not? Just on the inside. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Cooking. I'm cooking. We are cooking. Jesse! Jesse, put the Phoebe shine on the suit. Jesse, it's fetish week. Jesse, no, you're not supposed to put the shine on with the talc. Jesse! Jesse, you're a fucking idiot, Jesse! Jesse! Oh, dang! Let's just get that all in there. Okay. And now we are ready. Now we're ready. Now it's all soft and ready to wear. Now it's time to go back to the spicy side. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. I did it! Holy shit! Okay. Wow. It's breathing. It's breathing? Okay. Let's pull. Okay, wait. Let's booby up. 1 up. 2 up. And we're good. Oh. Shit. I feel like Velma from that one movie where she was trying to be sexy. That's awesome. That was awesome. That was beautiful, honestly. That was an experience. Wow. 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 I'm in. Let's pull this up a little bit. Uppies. Okay, let's adjust. We're in. Dude, wait. And I put some elf figures on because I'm feeling snazzy. I'm stepping on things. But this is literally so awesome. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. This is so freaking awesome. Isn't this so freaking awesome, guys? This is so cool. This is so cool. Wow, yeah, we did it. We got in it. It was a fight. I was fighting for my damn life. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna cap. Not even gonna front. Hold up. Yes! Wait, how does it go? I'm freezing outside, and then my skin tight. My coat is inside, but I look up at you. Thank you for joining me through that. This makes my buttocks so flat, but wait, hold up. Do I just have body dysmorphia? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. No, I feel it actively squishing my shit, bro. Oh, my knee. I'm old. About that. Bro, what are you working at? What is she working at? Wait, I should have put it on my shoulders. Okay, wait. Okay, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna hold up, actually. We're gonna handle this real quick. Hold up. That's better. That works. Okay, just had to grease up the shoulders right quick. Gotta get the Fortnite dance on. Gotta hit the Fortnite dance. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're really breaking this thing in. Latex suit getting cracked. Whoa. What y'all know about this? Oh, yeah. What if I hit this on y'all? What if I did that? What if I did that? But yeah. Yeah. Listen. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing. This is so awesome. This is literally so awesome. This has just been 6 minutes of me goofing around. Yeah. This is the latex suit, guys, and this is me. This is me in the latex suit. Yeah, I did it. I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior and a winner. Winners that win. All I do is win. All we do is win, no matter what. Jimin, my king. This is I think this is GG's. I don't know. Hold up. Let's sit down. Let's have a conversation, like a goodbye conversation. Okay. Let's back this up. Let's back this up a little bit. Okay. Can you guys see my lava lamp? Look at my lava lamp. Isn't it so awesome? Let's go look at it real quick before we say goodbye. I almost fell. Look at my lava lamp. Awesome baby, I love you so much. I just got bulbs again after not having bulbs for him for a really long time. So I'm very happy. Very happy with that. There's a lot of happy things in my life. I'm a very happy person. I'm a happy guy. I'm a happy guy. Okay. Hi, bye YouTube. Hi and bye YouTube. Yay. We did it and it was awesome. We got VV Shine, the VV soap, and the VV polish for this thing. I'm gonna have to soap this up after I'm done, and I think I'll put some talc powder to really finish it off. I may do a little video of that after I get out of this, or I may be too tired to, but we'll see if I'm a liar or not. But if this is the end, thank you so much for being here, and I love you. I love you so much. Thank you so much. All right, yeah. G of the G's, and bye. Bye. See you guys later. Bye. Bye. Wait, I gotta hit the floss. Okay, bye.